Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Hey, how you doing, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you are new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and when this video is over, make sure you check out all the links below. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, especially on this stock. All right? Make sure you do not fall for spam in the comments below. All right, good people. Let's just get right into what's going on with Mullen Automotives. Now, you guys know I don't like to chase these hype stock, but I'm coming on live because I believe that I can add some value to those of you that are thinking to get in, and for those of you that are in. Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? I am going to just go right into it, and then I'll read a few of you guys. I'm not going to make this one long, and I'm only talking about Mullen on this one. All right. So look, there are whales that are dumping Mullen, right? And so let's just look right after this. Let's go here. Let's see. So we see what's going on with Mullen, good people. What's going on with Mullen is there was a big dump right here. A big dump. I mean, it just tanked. And we want to know what is going on with Mullen. We know that the earnings report is coming, I believe it's March 30th, right? We only talking about Mullen on this one. March 30th. Hey, what's up with the coffee cups? So March 30th is the earnings report. But this is another case of buy the rumor, sell the news. There's a rumor coming up that Mullen is going to be worth more. So what we do is we buy the rumor, but we sell the news before it happens. I'm just talking about how I'm trading this. So now let me show you guys what I did this morning. This morning before opening bell, I bought some Mullen, and I made a total profit of $1,750 in under 20 minutes. I learned this about 22 years ago from an older investor about limiting the time that you're in a position, limiting your risk, okay? And there's something called the greater fool theory, meaning that you think someone else is going to buy this stock at a higher price than you sell it. Not that you bought it, then you are going to sell it. So you got to leave room for that. So we know that this stock is up. It was up 38% today, 34% when I looked. So I don't know how much it was up, but it was high as 34%. But as we can see right now, it's only up 10%. So it's giving up the gains, okay? But we also know that the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P is selling off. So that has some downward pressure. We also know that a whale is selling off, just sold a big chunk of it, or whales just sold a big chunk of it, right? So these are the things that happens with Mullen. Now, some people got in and start buying towards the top, right? That's what we don't want to do. We don't want to have FOMO. But is there money to be made in Mullen? Yes, I already made money and got out. But what I do is I buy at different levels with two different platforms, okay? So I'm telling you that I also put a buy order back into Mullen at 282, and it probably filled, but I'm here with you guys. So it probably filled at 282. Some people are looking to get $7 out of Mullen. Not me. I'm looking to get $4.89. $4.89 is my strike price to sell because no one knows if it's going to get to $7, right? And just like this, good people, just like the whales sell here, the whales are the ones that puts the FOMO out, and you guys go for it. Hey, it's going to $7, okay? And then everybody chases it, right? And then they get out at $5 because they're up 400, 500%. It's don't fall for the okie doke, good people. So that's why I'm going live, so I could at least shine a light on what I think is going on. So remember, I call it running ahead of the herd. You don't want to run with the herd. You want to run ahead of the herd. That's how you make money. Excuse these allergies, they kicking my butt. But you make money by running ahead of the herd. So that's why I made $1,750 while I was sipping my cup of coffee, right, in my house robe, watching the pre-markets. Because what? I thought, what is the herd going to do? Right? This is part of my psychology trading. All right. That's part of psychology trading. So that's what I did. So I got in, I got out. But what I want you guys to do, if you absolutely have to get in today, watch the last half hour. Okay. We got about an hour left for this session. Watch the last half hour of the session. And I wouldn't just get in and buy everything at once. See here, 316, right? Let's just look. This is today, good people, right? It was 410 and now it's almost $1 less. Look at that. Look at that, 413 and now it's 317. And so we don't want you guys buying at the top. We don't want you having FOMO. But we also know we got about 9 days until what? The earnings report. Now, last earnings report was garbage. That's what caused it to tank. It's over, it's up over 100% over the last week. But we gotta make sure we limit our risk. All right, good people. So that's what I wanted to get on and tell you. I literally was about to I recorded a video. And in real time, it started tanking. I couldn't even put the video up. So I just decided to come on live looking rough, and I was already recorded looking rough, but I wanted to feed the family, okay? So you guys tell me what your plans are concerning Mullen if you're into it. But remember, don't have FOMO. Don't take all your money and buy it at the top. And if they say we can get $7 out of it, hey, it's going to $7, it's going to $7, then you try to get out before $7. That's why my price, my strike price, my sell price is $4.89, and then I'm getting back in to I'll buy back in at $2.82, which I probably did buy back in at $2.82 all the way down to $2.10. So remember that. My buy price, this is my buy price, is $2.82 down to $2.10. My sell price is $4.89. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to probably do like I did this morning, probably 3 or 4 more times in one broker. And then what I'm going to do if my order filled at 282, which I believe it did because I saw it come down to that price point, then those I'm going to hold in my other portfolios. Okay, so if you don't have portfolios, especially if you want to buy and trade pre and post market, I'm suggesting 2 to you now. I'm suggesting Webull. Click my link below and use my link. They're going to get some free stuff, a lot of free stuff. And Mumu. Use my link below. You're going to get a lot of free stuff. All right. Just deposit $1 as minimum of $1 in both. All right, good people. So that's what I want to leave with you guys. I don't want to make this one long. And that's what's happening. We're not talking about anything today but Mullen. All right. And then we'll be on later. Tomorrow, I will have Technical Tuesdays with Josh. And we'll go from there, good people. All right. So I'm sorry, but this is what she say. Keenan told us about Mullen at 106, right? And remember, we covered Mullen on our technical Tuesdays here with Josh. So go back and watch my videos. As a matter of fact, here it is. What was that date? We talked about it March 8th. Okay. So this was Mullen on March 8th when we actually covered it. So there it is. So yeah. So we actually covered Mullen. I actually covered Mullen back then. So yes, see here. Let's listen to a little bit.
Okay, let's go to the charts on that. So yeah, so you see, I mean, this thing is sitting on.
So that was then. So I'm gonna have Josh back here, and we're gonna do Technical Tuesdays, and try to get you guys as much information to keep you fed. But remember, if you're having FOMO and you feel like you're missing out and you just want to go run and dump everything into Mullen, you're going to lose money. Don't do it. That's why I rarely like to cover stock like this unless we're early. Remember, you're not early now. You're not ahead of the herd. The herd is already ahead of you. As a matter of fact, this dump right here, they up and they're dumping. While you're chasing, they're dumping. But what you have to understand is the whales have way more money in it than you do, than all of us do. And so that's what causes the stock price to start tanking. So just be careful, good people. All right. I love you guys. Make sure you check out all the links below, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.